how to change voice of the sentences in the present perfect tense. Well, to begin with, let's understand the word order of the present perfect tense. In active voice, as usual, the sentence begins with the subject, which is followed by has or have. Has or have denote present perfect tense. It is followed by the past participle form of the verb, which is followed by the object and then the rest of the sentence. Let's take an example. I have written a letter in English. This is an active voice in the present perfect tense. Now we have to change it into a passive voice, as we know how to identify the object, asking the question, what have I written? A letter. So the object is a letter. As you know the formula, how are we going to change it? Let's see the formula first. The sentence in the passive voice begins with the object. So object plus has or have plus been in the to be verbs. We use been, B-E-E-N, because the verb in the original sentence is always already in the past participle in the present perfect tense. So we have to replace that with been. This been is followed by the past participle of the verb, and then by plus the subject and then the rest of the sentence. So according to the formula, our sentence must begin with the object. Which is the object? A letter. A letter has been written. We have used has here because a letter is singular. So we have used has. Been written denotes the passive voice in the perfect tense. By me in English. So your answer is a letter has been written by me in English. Let's take few more examples to understand it better. The boys have won the match. Well, to begin with, identify the object. How to identify? By asking a question with what? What have the boys won? The match. So your passive voice will begin with the match. As per the formula, the object is to be followed by has plus perfect tense been plus the past participle of the verb in the sentence. 1. It will remain as it is because in perfect tense we always use past participle form of the verb. So the answer is the match has been won. Has been won is the verb which denotes that the sentence is in perfect tense, present perfect tense, and it is in the passive voice. Has is the verb which tells us it is in the present perfect. Been won tells us it's a passive voice. Let's take another example. I have provided the man with food to eat. A little tricky sentence. So you may find it difficult to identify the object. If we ask question beginning with what, let's see if we get the answer. What have I provided? Oh, there is no answer for this question. So let's change the question and ask it with whom. Whom have I provided? The man. So here the object is the man. But the man is a human being. How can it be an object? So here the man is the indirect object. The man, which is followed by the verb of present perfect tense, which is has been, telling us it's a passive voice, and then followed by the past participle of the verb, which is provided, which is followed by the subject and then the rest of the sentence. So your answer is the man has been provided with food by me. Let's take one more example. He has found the eggs of the bird. What has he found? The eggs of the bird. So the eggs of the bird, this entire phrase is the object. Now eggs is plural. So we cannot use has because has is the singular verb. So we'll have to use a plural verb which is have. So the object is to be followed by the to be verb have been, and the past participle is found. By whom? By him. So your answer is the eggs of the birds have been found by him. Isn't it interesting, children?
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.